Hi, my name is Zoe Colman, and this is my e-portfolio that I completed in my W200 class. So to start off, I'm going to introduce myself. Again, my name is Zoe Colman. I'm a freshman studying secondary education at Indiana University with a focus in social studies. I plan on teaching 11th grade U.S. history in the future. This is basically just my homepage with an overview of my website and a link to all my resources. The next page is about me, and on this page, again, here's sort of like an introduction to myself. I'm from New York, and again, just some facts about myself, but also there's a section called technology where I introduce my beliefs about technology. So basically in the classroom, I believe technology can be extremely productive and a very beneficial resource for my students as well as myself. And I think that we're very lucky that we live in a day and age where we have access to such resources. However, when I'm teaching, I would want to monitor my students just to make sure that they're staying on track, because I know from experience that students can get very easily off track and not focus due to technology. But overall, I believe that it's really beneficial and gives us so many different ways to complete assignments. And yeah, I'd want to track them though, definitely. And also, I believe that Google Classroom is a really good resource for high school students and a good way to submit assignments and find out information about the class. So yeah, those are my technology beliefs. So the next page is my gallery, where I highlight my best 3 or 4 artifacts that I've completed throughout the course. So the first one that I completed was the production task badge, and here I used a website called Adobe Spark to cover one of the Indiana state standards for American history, and I loved using this website because it's a really cool way to teach and introduce a topic, and I never used it before, and I definitely want my students to help in the future to help make videos about specific subjects. I thought it was very beneficial. The next one is my computational thinking artifact, where my partner and I had to create an artifact for a lesson plan about writing a story. So within the lesson plan, we created an artifact using the website Scratch, which was a coding website, and I have had no prior experience with coding, and after using it, I highly recommend. It was very simple, and it's a really important skill that in the future will be beneficial, especially in a day and age where technology is extremely prevalent. I believe that this was a really easy and fun website to use. And my last thing that I'm going to show is my timeline that I created using a website called Tutori. And again, I had no prior experience using this website, but I believe it was an extremely easy way to create a timeline, which is really essential to history, to organize events and highlight the key events. And in this website, you could put in links to videos, ask questions, put in fun facts, and in the future, I think this will also be a very beneficial website and use of technology to help my students learn. And yeah, I overall really enjoyed using this as well. And in my future classroom, I will definitely want to use technology such as websites and apps like Chatterpix, Jeopardy, S'more, Kahoot, and I had experience using all of these to complete my badges, and I believe that they were all really cool websites and resources. And in a day and age where technology is advancing and like we're becoming more reliant on it, these are all really, really cool apps and websites that would fit perfectly into a classroom. Overall, I generally enjoyed my experience in W200. I was exposed to so many new things, as I said before, that I hadn't been exposed to, and I believe that this is really important as a teacher, especially when we're advancing as a society and we are becoming more reliant on the internet and everything is online. I believe it's really important to learn and be updated on what is useful. So yeah, this is my e-portfolio, and yeah.